Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I made this chocolate cake using cocoa powder, and the method I used to incorporate the cocoa powder is a sort of trending method where you have the cocoa powder well distributed, no lumps, no light speck here, no light speck here, and the cake bounces back, which is very light. So let's make it. Welcome back. Here are the ingredients I'll be using for this chocolate cake with cocoa powder. Please check the description box for a full list. I'm sieving the flour, baking powder, and the salt. I have started creaming the margarine to get a moist cake. I'll be using a combination of margarine and vegetable oil. The vegetable oils adds that moisture to the cake. I'm going to combine this until it is well combined. To add is the sugar. This is not a child's play. When done, add eggs to it. Put in the eggs with a whisk since I didn't beat it initially. Over mixing, stop right here. And what's a chocolate cake without vanilla? Next is the cocoa powder solution. I'll mix it again before I pour it inside. And how did I get this? I started by sifting the cocoa powder to aerate it as well as remove the lumps which affects the cake, gives it an uneven distribution. Press it properly. We've got to put every of the powder into it. To the sifted cocoa powder, I'm going to add half cup of hot water. Hot water to dissolve it. It gives it a very nice texture. So that is the trending method I was talking about. Next, I'll add the remaining half cup of liquid. The whole liquid I used was 1 cup. You could use milk instead. You could use half cup of milk to it and let it cool down before you add it to the cakes. It has cooled down and I'm adding it to it, and as you can see, it looks chocolatey, evenly mixed. It has dissolved completely in the hot water. I'm still mixing it, and then I'll be careful not to over mix it. I'm going to add all the flour in at once. I'm folding in the flour gently so as not to over mix. This is well combined, and I have preheated the oven. I'm going to use a dusted pan. I have dusted the pan, and then for effect, I'm going to add some cocoa powder. This adds extra brownness to the crust. I have preheated the oven. Pour the batter into the pan and into the oven it goes. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.